If I ask you, what is the most important thing for the business owner? I know there would be an unequivocal answer: money. My friend, money is certainly the bottom line for many businesses, but it shouldn't be the top priority or the topest priority for any business owner or the businesses either. Money is the byproduct. Many a times it happens, the company is making money, but the business is not growing. Probably the company has taken some sort of decision which can get them benefit in a shorter term, but a bigger loss in a longer term. So that's why the money cannot or shouldn't ever be the sole motive for any business owner. If you ask me, I'd rather recommend time. A business owner should have time in his pocket even if he forgets his wallet. If the business owner has got time, he can plan so many things which will help the company and its people to grow. He can dedicate this time on his health. He can give his time to his family. I have been seeing many companies, they have not been able to wriggle out themselves from the operational clutches. Many business owners, they still prefer to put their heads into every small operational activities, though they are not supposed to do it. Being a business owners or the decision makers in the company, you have a certain role, you have certain responsibility to accomplish. Your role and your goal should be to take company to the next level, to ensure the growth of every individual or every entity who has been associated with your company. This would be possible when you will come out of these operational activities and you will have sufficient time to contemplate, to manifestate, to plan, strategize, and accordingly the implementation and the growth strategy you can formulate. The irony is that many business owners acknowledges the need of time. They understand they should have a different working pattern, but they are not able to get onto those patterns because they do not have the right tools, they do not have the right framework, they do not have a right strategy, they do not have that kind of team which can ease off his burden. At UTBR, we empower our customers with all the business related tools, the decision making tools, the growth related formats, and all sort of the or innovative frameworks that can help him to drive the business to the next level. If you want to transform your company from a conventional company to a next generation company or digitally advanced organization, a totally automated company, a profitable organization, you want to create a very happy corporate or the business environment, then please do write to us. We shall get back to you. You can leave your comment, we'll reply to you. Thanks for being with us on the platform of UTBR, Unravel the Business Riddle. Thanks for watching our video. Have a great day. Thank you.